I mean, what do you even say, dude? You missed the Jesus shit. Christ almighty. Alright, we got the whole Huracan squad going on here. Am I even recording? Yes, I am. Oh man, I thought my crackles are loud. Jesus Christ. We're in our buddy Grayson's Audi S7 here on Rodeo. We got like what, 3 Huracans and R8.
That thing sounds nuts.
Heard it from the man himself. This is absurd, dude. Oh my God. Got a daily driven exotics in the R8. Got Alex Troy up front. A couple of Huracans behind us as well. Good Lord. Do you do that, do you tap on the throttle to get the pops?
I can, or just let off.
Oh, you just let off and it just automatically does it. Awesome.
Yeah, but you can do that.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Same technique. Same technique. Beautiful. Oh, Jesus! The neighbor's gonna hate us, dude. We got the puddle lights on the S7. Now we're rolling. I think at a specific time in about 30 seconds or so, everyone's gonna be revving their engines, and I have no idea why. Oh my God, this is just... Holy shit! We should probably leave before the police come. That might be ideal. What the fuck? We gotta get out of here. Fuck this shit. What the? I like the stealth mode though. That's pretty good. Hello. Goodbye.
Oh.
Oh.
You want to turn my car off?
Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Oh. Oh. Well, that was kind of expected, honestly. I mean, what do you want me to say? Seriously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cops here. That's a lot of cops. And I'm kind of iffy about going through the sprinklers over here, but oof. Like, what do you think was going to happen? Like,
well, that's
why.
Like,
come on.
Out of Beverly Hills, right?
I know. I don't.
After it all ran. Like,
Jeez.
dude, everyone was racing. The cops like knew,
whoa,
and then it was quiet.
Whoa, I'm trying to make what the fuck. Oh my God! All right. Okay, let's hop in. Let's close it. There we go. There's one light you don't want to miss. On that S65. smell it.
That's the harder they get, the better they are.
These are your pads I'm smelling?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yummy. Alright, gas station takeover is over. This Superleggera, man, it's convincing me. I really want one now. Problem with the STS is that once you get one, you can't really modify it, so that is an issue. Let's hop back in here. Oh, I'm trying to conserve my battery, guys, so if my camcorder goes out, I'm sorry. Here we go.
Oh, I've been on this road.
Holy Toledo. Alright, what's going on here, guys? Good lord.
Naughty boy.
That thing is a naughty boy. Fucking hell. Hope you guys are enjoying the footage. Not really sure what's going on. We're all pulled over to the side of the road here. And I would think the guy in the S65 is gonna do some donuts. Don't quote me on that, but yeah. It's pretty cold on my fucking sandals, as you can tell. It's gonna, oh my god. Oh, Joe. Oh my god. Oh, all right.
That's good for your lungs.
Oh. Okay, guys, we got a good Samaritan over there. What the heck? I think she's on the phone with the cops or something. I don't know. Let's just get out. Yeah, we should just bounce.
White woman calling the cops.
Call the cops on that shit. Oh, she's hyping me. What the fuck? All right, let's just.
She can't keep up.
I should do the police siren at her.
You should do
that?
You should do it.
Wait, you have that?
Yeah.
No fucking way.
Like right here.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Oh my. That's fucking.
There's street racing over here. Her face. What's this guy doing? Oh, really?
I don't know what the hell he's doing.
Whoa, this guy, I don't trust
He
this
doesn't
guy.
have the brakes.
Oh, I don't know, man. I don't trust this guy. Hell yeah! What the fuck is that guy? There he goes! There he goes! Yes! Yes! There he is! Woo! Oh my god! Dude, the overtake! Alright guys, we're back in Beverly Hills. Many thanks to our buddy here, Grayson. Here's his Instagram handle. Make sure to check him out. He hooked us up with a ride in this S7. Fucking hell. I mean, what else do you want to say? The footage is absolutely bonkers. So, Arab O'Clock is pretty much dead. Fuckboy O'Clock has finished up as well. I'm here with the SVR on Rodeo. We've left this car here because, you know, we hopped in with Grayson. No front plate ticket, so respect.